Hey there, Supermom. Yeah. You the one holding a coffee in one hand, a toddler in the other, and wondering if running after your kids counts as cardio? Spoiler alert, it totally does. But today on FitFocus, we're talking about a quick, no excuse, full-bodied home workout that even the busiest mom can squeeze in. No gym, no fancy gear, no sanity required. Let's be honest, life gets chaotic. Between school runs, meal prep, laundry that magically reproduces overnight, and your boss sending quick emails at 10 p.m., finding time for a workout feels about as realistic as a nap. But here's the truth. You don't need an hour to stay fit. You don't even need 30 minutes. All you need is about 10 minutes and a tiny bit of determination or caffeine, preferably both. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, yeah, right, let's make one thing clear. This isn't one of those influencer-style jump around for an hour and smile through the pain routines. Nope, we're keeping it real, short, and doable. So grab your water bottle or your kid's sippy cup. We don't judge. Clear a little space in your living room, and let's move. We're kicking things off with some good old-fashioned jumping jacks. Yeah, the same ones you did in gym class. Do them for 30 seconds, and boom, your heart rate's up. You're officially working out, and you've scared the dog. Perfect start. Next up, we're doing squats. You don't need to think about form like a pro athlete. Just imagine you're sitting down into your couch, but it's covered in Legos. That'll help you get low real quick. Now for push-ups. Don't panic. You can totally do them on your knees. This isn't marine training. Remember, we're aiming for fit mom, not Hulk mom. 10 good push-ups, and if your arms start shaking, just tell yourself it's the coffee detox kicking in. Then we've got mountain climbers. Yeah, they sound intense, but think of it as running away from your responsibilities, except in plank position. Go for 20 seconds. You got this. Take a breather, grab that sippy cup again, and let's do a quick stretch. Because recovery is important. Plus, it's the part where you can check your phone guilt-free. Now, back to the action.
Step for lunges. Step forward, drop down, and repeat. Bonus points if you don't trip over a toy in the process. Your thighs might start to complain here, but that's just them saying, hey, finally being used for something other than chasing kids.
Then we move into planks. You can hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. It sounds short, but it'll feel like an eternity. Kind of like waiting for your kid to finish brushing their teeth. Keep that core tight. Think about all the snacks you sneak after bedtime. You earned them, but we're balancing it out now. And finally, we end with high knees. Because nothing says I'm doing this. It's like jumping around your living room while your kids stare at you like you've lost your mind. Go all out for 30 seconds. Pretend you're late to school drop-off again. You'll be sweating, laughing, and probably questioning your life choices. Which means it's working. Here's the beauty of this workout. It's fast, effective, and you can do it anywhere. Kitchen, bedroom, laundry room. If there's space for a yoga mat, there's space for a better you. Do this little routine 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll start feeling stronger, more energized, and maybe even a little smug about it. That's the goal, right? Now, let's talk benefits, because science says so. A short workout like this helps boost metabolism, burns calories, and releases those magical endorphins that make you feel like you've actually got your life together. Plus, regular movement keeps your body strong and your mind clear, which helps when you're juggling family chaos. And here's the best part. Your kids see you doing it. You're teaching them that health matters, that energy matters, and that moms are total bosses. If you're thinking, okay, but how do I stay motivated? Simple. Don't overthink it. You don't need a perfect schedule or expensive leggings. Just start. Put on some music, grab a towel, and move. Some days you'll crush it, some days you'll barely make it through one set. Both count. Progress is progress. And if you're consistent, that energy will spill into everything you do. You'll feel lighter, stronger, and more confident, even when life gets crazy. At the end of the day, being a busy mom means wearing 500 hats: chauffeur, furs, negotiator, and sometimes human jungle gym. But taking 10 minutes for yourself isn't selfish. It's essential, because a strong mom equals a strong family. And if someone tells you you're too busy to work out, just smile, take a sip of your coffee, and prove them wrong one squat at a time. So Supermom, that's your quick home workout for busy moms. You don't need fancy equipment or a free hour. Just a few minutes and that unstoppable mom energy. Remember, fitness isn't about perfection. It's about progress. If all else fails, Chasing your toddler totally counts as cardio. If you like this no-nonsense guide, hit that like button, subscribe to FitFocus, and share this with another busy mom who deserves a little time for herself, because you've earned it. Now go crush your day, or at least survive it in style. This is FitFocus, where fitness meets real life, one messy bun at a time.